Unlike very, which is doing a lot of heavy lifting these days, British English loves polite-sounding intensifiers that secretly exaggerate everything. Let's meet the favourites. 1. Awfully, awfully, meaning very, extremely, often polite or apologetic. I'm awfully sorry about the delay. That's awfully kind of you. She was awfully upset about it. So, pronunciation notes, it's a long awfully, not awfully. And it's a light, quick ending, awfully. It sounds gentle, delivers impact quietly. Number 2, terribly, terribly, formal, slightly dramatic. I'm terribly busy this week. He was terribly disappointed. That sounds terribly complicated. So, has got that short sound, terribly, terribly. Don't overstress it. Number 3, dreadfully, dreadfully. Often negative and slightly old-fashioned. I'm dreadfully tired. She was dreadfully embarrassed. The weather's dreadfully dull today. Dreadfully. A clear dr cluster at the beginning. Excellent for complaining politely.